A request for catching balls with my eyes closed. These are actually stress balls. They do actually... This one's a bit softer than that one. 2 balls in my hand. Okay, so... can I catch them in my... I'm not going to raise my hands any higher because then my Tommy shoes. Okay, here we go. So, catch in the air, eyes closed. Will they land in there? I think so. This goes out to you, ball catcher. Why I gotta do it with my eyes closed? I know, because it makes it harder. Okay, here we go. Just a second. I mean, the light from the window and how tired I am actually makes me blind anyway. So, okay, here we go. Eyes shut. Well, that went well. And where are they? Where have they gone? Oh, here they are. That went well, and I did mini throws. Did you see that? So I was kind of cheating, and I still didn't catch it. Gotta throw straight. Okay. Stand back a minute. Okay. Eyes shut. Oh, for goodness sakes! You know, it's a lot harder than you think, peeps. I chose these balls because they're bright, and now I've lost it. I've lost it. I've lost it. How can I lose a bright yellow ball? Well, clearly I can't do it. Let's try to see if I can do it with one. Eyes closed. Hey! Did you see that? See if it's not a fluke. Eyes closed. Hey! I can do one, but why can't I do two? And where is that ball gone? Who got my ball? Who's got my ball? Who's got my... Hello? Well, that's just grand. Now I can't even continue. Who's got my ball? Who's got my ball? Found it! Found it! Okay. Covered in fluff from the carpet. Okay. Clearly I can do one, so maybe my left hand is not so good. Alright. Well, I didn't catch either of those. This is the last go, people. Eyes closed. Come on. Catch one, I can catch two. What do I do? What do I do when I close my eyes? I'm sort of irritated now, and I don't want to do it again. But I'm going to do it one more time, that's it. Okay. Eyes closed. I got one again. No, my left hand is sucko. Maybe it's the yellow ball. Maybe it's the pink one that's better, or purple, whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so my right hand might be stronger. Last go. Switching it up. I'm not doing anymore. Alright, my theory is shot. What?